Hello everyone, in this video I show you how to download and install Fedora Linux. Before moving on to the video, please like and share the video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Let's move on to the video. First, we go to Fedora's own website. We go to the Fedora Get section on the top right and click on Workstation. On the page that opens, click Download Now. We choose the one for AMD and Intel and download the .iso. After our ISO is downloaded and finished, we download the media writer on the right. We open the program and install it quickly. We click on the second option, select .iso file and click Next. Now from the Select File section, we select Fedora, and in the second option, we select our USB disk and click Write. After the writing process is completed, we open our computer via USB. Here we press Start Fedora Live, that is, enter from the first option and continue. We are waiting for it to open. We click on Install Fedora. You can choose the installation language and keyboard language that suits you from here. I will continue with English. In the window that opens, we are presented with three options. The first one is the language we have selected now. The second one is the time and zone. It automatically chooses the one that is appropriate for where you live, but you can change it if you want. Now let's move on to choosing the installation location. Here we select Disk and click Done. And now we click on Begin Installation at the bottom and start the installation. And wait. We click Finish Installation, close the installation screen and restart the system. After opening the system, we will see a window like this. Here we will make other settings for our system. Here you can close the location or close the bug report if you want. Here you will be asked if the third-party app store is enabled. It is recommended that you turn it on. Here we open a user account for ourselves, enter our own name and username. Click Next, and then enter our password. And that's it. Now we can use Fedora. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching. If you are curious about more Linux videos like this, you can take a look at my channel. Thanks for watching. Please share the video, like it, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.